Good Tuesday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and this is your outlook for April 7th, 2015. And we're going to have a very pesky backdoor cold front that is going to be affecting the area in one form or another for the next 4 days. And I say 4 days because it's going to be starting off today here on Tuesday. It's going to be situated to the north here like this. This is going to move down to the southwest today. And as it does so, it's going to do a couple things. One, is going to lower temperatures. Two, it's going to bring the opportunity for showers along that frontal boundary as it moves to the southwest. And then temperatures are going to be much, much colder. Much colder. It's going to be a total shock from what we've had today. I mean, we had some temperatures here today across our coverage area that were quite warm, mid-70s in many locations, and we're talking about temperatures that are now going to be considerably colder than that by the time we get to Wednesday and Thursday, by a good 30 degrees, or perhaps in some cases even more than that. So let's get into your day on Tuesday. And these are the high temperatures we expected before this backdoor cold front decides to move down to the southwest. It's going to keep going down here like this, very slowly move to the southwest here, and you can see here, I didn't draw this exactly right here, but the backdoor cold front is actually situated at this point like this, moving to the southwest here, and you can see that delineated by 50s or barely 50, 40s and 50s up here to the north, and then in the middle areas here from about State College over to about Allentown down to into Bucks County here in Pennsylvania, and into central and southern New Jersey. That's where your boundary line is at 2 p.m. And you're going to go a little bit forward in time here, and I'll show you. You'll clearly be able to see this moving to the southwest here. So we're going to start from this point and watch what this does. Just creeps to the southwest here, and this is by 6 p.m. Places that were in the 60s up here. State College is now 50. Allentown's 53. These were both in the 60s just 4 hours prior to that, so you will have dropping temperatures. But you can see all the way down to Philadelphia now down to 60, and temperatures were previously, just before that, before this crashes, you're talking about temperatures are going to be about 70 degrees here from York over to Philadelphia and into interior South Jersey. So it will be going down pretty quickly as this backdoor cold front moves to the southwest. And you can see at this point, by the time we get to 10 p.m., it is pretty much through the entire area, maybe hanging on a little bit here in southwestern Sussex County, Delaware. Everywhere else there in our coverage area, this frontal boundary will be through by that point. And it's going to stay to the southwest for much of, here we're going to get to Wednesday, just to give you an idea. Here is what you're looking at for high temperatures expected here on Wednesday afternoon. You're talking about barely getting to 40 degrees, low 40s here in many locations, so it's going to be a real shock. And the same thing's going to hold true here on Thursday, because this frontal boundary is just going to be sitting there. Let's get into the radar too. I do want to show you what the simulated radar looks like. Along that frontal boundary this afternoon, you will have the showers up confined mainly to the north here, and then as I move to the southwest, you will have an increase along that boundary here. Maybe some thunderstorms across southeastern PA. Where that best heating occurs. So it's fairly widely scattered, not really like a high concentration of thunderstorms, but you do see these showers and storms rotating through, and then we're going to be having these on and off chances for showers and storms here going right through Wednesday and again on Thursday. Here's later Wednesday here again, Thursday. So we're going to be in these showers and storms here for a couple days in these waves of boundaries here. And that's what I'm going to show you here on the global as you go into Wednesday here. Just mainly light stuff. Not a whole lot of precipitation here on Wednesday. And again here on Thursday, we have pretty much the same thing. And then we're going to have a warm front. That same boundary that was to our south will move northward as a warm front. You're going to have warm southwesterly winds. Temperatures are going to rise Thursday night, early Friday, just as quickly as they dropped today. So you're going to have temperatures going up very rapidly, and then temperatures will be back up to close to 70 degrees in a lot of areas. So it's going to seem like Mother Nature can't make up her mind, but it's all because of this backdoor cold front making a big difference. It's going to hang around for 2 days, and it's going to kick out of here, and you're going to get a surge of warmth. Next system's going to come in Friday. This is going to be a cold front, because it's going to be along this. There'll be showers and thunderstorms along this cold front moving to the east, and that will hit here probably Friday late afternoon, evening time frame. Here's a look at Friday evening with those thunderstorms coming through here. We'll have to watch for maybe some strong storms if we get enough heating, especially if the sun comes out. We do get enough heating here in the day where we can have enough instability occurring, or you could get some stronger storms with this frontal boundary. But that's kind of like a wait and see thing. See if we get into a little bit more sunshine than the models are predicting. Some models are actually having mostly cloudy. Mostly cloudy means you do have peaks of sun. If you get enough heating, you can have some stronger storms, and that would be on Friday evening. We are optimistic, though, that Saturday will be a nice day. We're going to have temperatures, winds out of the northwest. We're going to be temperatures in the lower 60s generally for across our coverage area. And same thing holds true for Sunday. As high pressure moves in, it's going to be a mostly sunny day on Sunday as opposed to partly cloudy on Saturday. So looks like a very nice weekend here, typical of spring temperatures that are going to be running at or slightly above normal, actually, in the low to mid 60s across our coverage area this weekend. Looks like a very nice weekend coming up. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and then as your outlook for April 7th, 2015, have a great Tuesday.